we now have VidIQ installed, and I just clicked on a random video I want to analyze. Because maybe it's in my niche, it's my competition, and I want to see how I can improve my own videos. On the right side, we have here the overview, which is the VidIQ score. We have the views per hour, which is an average 737. We have views in total and the video duration. The important part is down here. We have a social score, which is the engagement rate of, in this case, about 5%. So we have 796 YouTube likes, and that for 20,000 views, that is okay. Like here, that is about 5%. We have all of the engagement from YouTube. Why only YouTube? You could also have Facebook and Reddit. So if you check videos, you can have your YouTube maybe 90% and 10% Facebook likes. We have a search engine optimization score of 100 out of 100. How is this possible? Because you get here points for tags, tag volume, keywords in title, keywords in description, triple keywords, so keywords you used 3 times. That is the things you can actually do, that is 50%. And the other part is the performance. So ranked tags and high volume ranked tags. For that, of course, you need to rank also under this or with this tags. If you only have them, that's good, 50%. If you then also rank there, it's even better, then you can get up to 100%. So that is a pretty good video, 20k views in one day. We have description word count only 63, so pretty short description actually. We have 2 end screens, and we see here also a short analysis. So it really is a peak here from 0 to 5,000, and this will continue probably until it flattens someday. We have a checklist from VidIQ, title, text, description, and so on. What this video doesn't have, and they recommend, is share it on Facebook, have a pinned comment, and a hearted comment. Then also facts about the channel. It has about 129 million total views, about 80k average views per day. It's from the US, and so on and so on. Important is now video tags, because here we can see cute cat video is a tag that was used, and with this tag the video is ranking on position 173, which is not too bad. By clicking here, you see also VidIQ some related keywords and also this competition score, this overall score, and maybe you want to use them as well. We see that this video also ranks for a lot of tags on position 1, for example, funny cat memes, funny cats compilation, cat memes funny. So if I type something like this in here, we might find it, because it's ranking here, here it is. It is ranked here position 1 for this specific keyword, at least for most of the people. Of course, YouTube doesn't show it twice to me because I already watched it. Now I also see channel tags, cat and memes only. So this is pretty simple. I already told you, don't use too many tags here for the channel. It doesn't bring any value, just to make it clear for YouTube to categorize you. So here you can now see what this very, very good video had with tags. And when we upload now a video, or when we try to update our own video, we can also, of course, use this search engine optimization tag. we see that here we only have a VidIQ score of 10.9. What we should do is optimize the tag count, adding at least 20 tags so the video gets full points here. Okay, so I only have 2 out of 5. I should add more tags. Let's just type stuff in. Of course, you should type in useful stuff, but I want to show you that now I have 5 out of 5. This is good. Now we have here tag volume. Also use, of course, good tags. That makes sense. So a lot of times the word, in this case, stock or stock market, that would make sense. Keywords in title, we have none, or at least none that are related to here the tags or the rest in this case. Keywords in description, also nearly none, and triple keywords, of course, also none. So what I should do is use more tags for the title and of course for the description, and then also use the same keyword, maybe stock market, a few times. So 1 time here or 2 times here and 3 times in the description. That would be perfect for the search engine optimization score. That doesn't mean that it's perfect for engagement or for click-through rate, but it's perfect for search engine optimization, okay? All right, and that is how I use VidIQ at first to analyze different videos. For example, this here. Then I check the tags on the right side, video tags. I check them on competition, and if I should use them, then I make an own mix of tags with high competition, low competition, and so on and so on. And then I use the same tool, so VidIQ also, to optimize my search engine optimization by optimizing the tags in description and title, and of course in the tag section of my video.